Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the battle.net lost connection to game server error, step by step. This method works for most connection issues, so let's jump right in. First, click on the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Once you're here, find the network adapter you're currently using, double-click on it, then click Properties. Next, select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and click Properties again. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Now, under DNS settings, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save everything. For the next step, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. After the restart, open battle.net and try connecting again. The error should now be fixed. And that's it. That's how you fix the battle.net lost connection to game server error. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.